Taking your vehicle to a dealership for a trade-in appraisal isn't always the most convenient thing to do. But with TradeRev's Trade-In at Home tool, you can appraise and trade in your vehicle from the comfort of your home. TradeRev is Canada's leading digital auction for dealers to buy and sell cars from each other. With thousands of dealers on TradeRev placing bids every day, you'll be able to get the maximum value on your trade-in. And there's no obligation to sell your vehicle. So how do you get started? Step 1. Contact your dealer and let them know you'd like to trade in your vehicle from home. Your dealer will then send you a link to a form that's designed just for you. Step 2. Provide your vehicle's details and snap some photos. Ensure you take pictures of any damages and in the notes section, highlight anything you think your dealer should know. Step 3. Submit the form and the dealer will contact you if they need more information. Dealers across Canada will start bidding on your vehicle when the auction starts. Lastly, your dealer will contact you with your appraisal offer. It's that easy. From trade-in to appraisal to sold in no time at all. Talk to your dealer today about how you can trade in at home.